Hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
We're cooking burgers today.
We're remaking the Sonic
Bacon,
peanut butter
cheese
burger. Whose idea was this?
This was your idea.
It sure was. Because if Sonic can do it, we can do it, dang it.
That's right. So we got hamburger patties and bacon. And as I put it on the grill, I'll tell you what I did with the hamburgers. Just regular bacon here. I cut it in half so it fit on the bun better. But with the burgers,
Help. Like, sure.
with the burgers, I put salt, pepper, sprout, pepper, this and dash. We don't do salt a whole lot, but
So bacon's got enough salt in it for everything?
I did a little bit of garlic powder and some smoked paprika.
And sorry if it's windy, y'all.
We had to pick a day where it's
Really windy every day.
well, it's a trip.
I mean, it's not like this.
We already know about though. You're probably gonna hear some wind noise at the microphone.
Wind noise, bird, wind chime, the country life coming at you. Did you spray avocado on it?
Now,
No. Why not?
I don't know. I probably should have, but I didn't.
Have you guys ever cooked on a black stone?
Yeah, this is our black stone grill. And
No bacon.
now with the bacon already. Neat television. Bring on. That's
It's hot over here
yeah.
by the food.
Yeah, I'm gonna just kind of flatten these burgers out a little bit.
They're not flat already.
Not flat now.
Oh. Don't crispify the bacon.
Not yet.
See? What makes you know when the bacon is ready?
When it start changing its color.
Well, it's changed color now.
No, not yet.
Okay.
So the edges will change color. You'll see.
That bacon, I love the smell of bacon.
Yeah. Bacon's awesome. Awesome.
It might even be a little bit shadowed right here, y'all.
We are shadows.
Sorry.
The bacon's not. Part of my body is not, but our faces are.
Overall, we all. I guess if we're going to do this next time, we need to move it to the sunlight.
Yeah. It should.
I think it's fun to watch bacon shrivel. Like,
So you watch our video there.
which one?
The bacon and egg video.
Yeah.
Where I cooked them. Did you? Yeah, it's in the color up to
Take off.
All right, y'all. Time to flip the burgers over.
They're looking good. You applied to me with grace. Put it the other way.
Sorry.
Dang, these hurt me. Flip that bacon. I'm getting out of your way while you do that.
Let's stick that. Am I being a little dangerous?
You're being a little dangerous.
Looking good. Smelling good.
Smells delicious. Are you done flipping now?
I'm done flipping.
Does it bother you when it wrinkles up like that?
Yeah, it does.
You need a press.
I did.
Is that called a bacon cut?
Yep. That's what it's called. All right. How to flip bacon over again?
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, looking good. Looking good.
Thank you for beating you today.
Do what treat is?
We went to town. We went shopping. We ran around. We didn't grab anything in town to eat.
No.
So, good timing for these.
We had planned on cooking these. Yeah, we had planned on cooking them later, but
We could ride up cooking with luxury. And we're going to couple it to Lake and Beat. Something in the morning. Oh, really nice.
yeah,
Eat something this time of day. We might do the later time.
all this bacon open inside. Get it done. A little bit more on these bits. All right, bacon's ready.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'm going to flip these burgers one more time. They're almost ready to eat.
That's looking.
Okay. Look like their burgers are done. Time to flap some cheese on them.
Flap the shade. They drill the bun.
You know the bun.
I don't know why you did 4 burgers. You only had, we're only one thing.
Well, I don't know.
Put the shakes.
But the bulk of them, the mother to eat.
And
Now then,
you up?
let's see it. We're using American cheese here.
Isn't that what the Sonic uses?
Sonic. But just know, ours are going to be better than Sonic.
Oh, I know.
All right, time to build the burgers.
Like then you will get all the peanut butter put on.
All right, y'all.
All right, let's do that.
So now it's the good part, peanut butter. And Sonic, I put fried onions on theirs. Well, this is our version.
We don't want fried onions.
We're not putting fried onions.
Switch me. I hope it's too framey.
All right. You ready to dig in? Let's do it. One more bite. Different. Well, I'll tell you this right now. Compared to Sonic, this is way better. So compared to Sonic, it's way better. For sure. What do you think? What are your thoughts?
It's good. It's way better.
It's still, kind of weird tasting.
I have got really good peanut butter. What gets me is that it's not bad, but it's not great. And it kind of tastes like from the baking flavor.
It does. Because this right here, this is good baking. Okay.
Would you do it again?
Probably not. Probably not.
No. I just it's not bad.
But y'all try it out. Because,
It's different.
like I said on our Sonic video, our taste buds might be
Different.
way different than y'all's. So give it a try. I mean, it's a good tasting burger. Don't get me wrong. It's a good burger. It's kind of weird.
It's different.
Yeah,
Like,
different. I'm not saying
Ketchup
it.
has this. Mustard has a tart. Like, this is very different.
Different. And we use Peter Panner. Peter Panner.
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan honey roasted creamy peanut butter is what we use for the peanut.
I bet it would have been better with Jif.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
I say 5.
5 for me also.
I mean, it's like
Yeah, half though.
not the fave, not the worst. Have had worse, had better.
So anything else?
That's it.
So please like,
Share,
subscribe,
and hit the bell. Ding, 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 ding. For future notification.
and we'll be back.
Bye, guys.
'Cause I found my way